Today, we will talk about how to start a courier business. Let's have a look at the details. A courier business is a company that moves packages from one location to another for a fee. Starting a courier business can be a lucrative opportunity, but there are practical considerations and logistics you may overlook that need to be taken into account. With a little time and effort, you can start a great courier business. The first method is starting off. Make initial decisions on your service area and types of packages. A courier service is a company that delivers packages from location to location. If you're interested in starting a courier company, take some time to make decisions about your service area and the types of packages you'll be delivering. Meet with business advisors. Unless you have a strong background in business, it's unlikely you can establish all aspects of a new business alone. You'll need to meet with a variety of advisors to establish the terms of your courier business. Gather the necessary equipment. You'll need some basic, physical goods to start a courier business. Spend some time gathering these materials as you move through the preliminary process of starting your business. Consider monthly expenses. You want to make sure your business plan is feasible. Spend some time estimating what your monthly expenses can be. This information can be helpful down the road when deciding on how much to charge customers. Decide how much to charge. Considering your monthly expenses and other factors, you need to consider how much you'll charge your customers. Spend some time thinking over the prices you'll charge as a company. Now, the second method is getting licenses and insurance. Figure out what kind of licenses and permits you need. As a business, you'll need a variety of licenses and permits. The requirements for obtaining a license vary by state. However, there are some general rules that can help you determine the right license for your business. Look into tax permits. You will also need to file taxes with the state and local government, which requires registering your business. Depending on your state's regulations, your business may need a federal tax identification number. Get insurance. Courier insurance is a must for your business. A courier insurance policy makes sure you are not held personally liable if items you're transporting are damaged or lost during delivery. Courier insurance policies are generally inexpensive and you can talk to a business attorney or go online to find the right policy for your company. And the third method is establishing a business. Hire and train employees. Once you've established the basics, you'll need to hire and train employees. The amount of employees you'll need depends heavily on the size of your business and your needs. Advertise. As your business is starting, advertising is vital. You'll need to make sure customers know you're an option in the world of transportation and delivery. Look for clients and customers. You may have to seek out clients and customers as a courier business. Are you planning on offering your services to local businesses that do not offer delivery? Make some phone calls to restaurants, furniture stores, or other places. Word of mouth helps a lot with these kinds of businesses. Offer special member-to-member discounts when you're starting to encourage people to recommend your services to others. Be persistent. Starting any business is stressful. However, try to be persistent. It may take a while for a new business to become established, so don't expect success to happen overnight. Keep working hard and eventually, it will pay off. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.